go. This is how we do it all the time.
Alright, it's the hottest day of the year out. It's 90 something degrees now and about 107 in Modesto, where I'm about to drive to pick up the Boxster. Seems like good as day as any to start a YouTube channel. So I'll tell you more when we get there.
Just picture everybody.
Something brand new.
Just picture everybody.
Seeing the beauty through the darkest day. I feel it still.
Alright, so we're just arriving in Cerris, which is south of Modesto. Nice neighborhood. This is she, daily driver H2B Civic. And let's see where she is. And this is it. 2000 Porsche Boxster S. This is Lee.
Hey,
Hey,
nice
good
to
to see
meet
you
you.
again.
Likewise.
Thanks for holding the car for me.
No problem.
You just want something just like this. I don't really care if you lie. Sit down. Manipulate my decisions. Could be in my heart. Sit down. Sit down. I don't really care if you go crazy.
Thanks so much for bringing it back, and I hope you keep track of it and see what it becomes.
Most definitely.
Yep. A wise woman once told me, manage expectations. So I think I need to back up a little bit and tell you about what this channel is going to be all about. So I bought the Boxster today, and that's going to be the backbone build for the next year. It's going to be an electric conversion. I know next to nothing about electric conversions, but just like I knew next to nothing about making a pickup when I started that project. So it's going to be a learning process. And alternating with that is going to be a retrospective about how I built that the Prelude, and how it went from it basically a junkyard coupe to the form it is today. The potential of the part of the channel depends on a big answer I'm waiting for in the next 2 or 3 weeks. So I'll probably be able to tell you about it either way when the next video drops. In the meantime, you can tell this is a fledgling channel. In fact, the egg hasn't even hatched yet. So if you like the sound of it, you like where it's going, then I'd really appreciate your support if you could subscribe, stay tuned, and give constructive comments as to how I can improve the videos. Until then, this is Deviant Customs, over and out.
Pasito a pasito, suave, suavecito.